Air fried charcoal barbecue. Here I will use 2 thicker steaks, perfect for barbecue, and you season with coarse salt to taste. The type of meat, it will be your preference. Let's go soft on both sides. And we are also going to add some oil. Done that, let's take this meat and add our container to the air fryer. And to accompany this meat, I will also use 2 Tuscan sausages. With the aid of a fork, let's pierce this sausage. We will leave the side. Here I go using a medium piece of charcoal, put on top of a slotted spoon or something to hold, and I'll burn it with the blowtorch. But you can do it directly in the stove mouth. I will use a paper aluminum for us to put this coal on top. So, it's already perfect. Just add our charcoal and it has to be amber, guys. Well lit. Just pick it up and put in the middle of the air fryer. And you can rest assured that your air fryer will not burn down. 20 minutes at 200 degrees. And at the same time, let's just open for turn this meat over again. Pierce the sausage and just close and wait to complement the minutes. People, are ready our charcoal barbecue at the air fryer, and the coal melts out and our meat stays that way. Delicious. If you prefer, you can leave less time to stay on point or underdone. This meat is delicious. I never had imagined that I would have a barbecue so perfect in the air fryer. The meat stays smoked like barbecue. Guys, do it at your home. I'm sure everyone will love it. And for who live in an apartment, goes perfect. I hope you have liked it. This was another little recipe here from the poor in the kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.